Good morning guys. Ito yung ang aking kinukuha sa Partas. Ayan guys, nakuha ko na yung aking baggage dito sa Partas. Time checks 7:12 12:09. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you. Good morning guys. Good morning. Good morning. Maulan na morning guys. Maulan. Ito na, nakuha ko na yung aking cargo. Galing ng ano to. Galing ng Bata. Galing ng Bata Ilocos Norte. Galing ng Hiling Norte, City of Batak, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. Oy, mali pa yung spelling ng apelyido ko. Alright guys, thank you for watching here in Partas Terminal Cubao, Alalong Aurora Boulevard.